Hello guys, in this video I will show how to create Steam account. So firstly download and install Steam. So open any web browser and search Steam. So download and install, then click on create a new account. Now enter your email, confirm your email, select your country, select this captcha. Verify your email. Click on verify my email address. You will see email verified. Now enter Steam account name. Choose password and confirm password. If name is not available, so you will see suggestions. Select anyone. Then click on done. New account created successfully. Click on continue. Enter your account name and password. Then click on login. So this is the way guys you can create a new and fresh account on Steam. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.